Do you ever feel like your brain is broken? Like you sit down to focus, and 2 minutes later, you're watching a cat skateboarding on Instagram? Here's the truth. Your brain isn't broken. It's just overstimulated, drowning in cheap dopamine. And here's the twist nobody tells you. When you try to fix it, it actually gets worse before it gets better. Let me explain. Right now, your brain is like a spoiled kid. You've been giving it candy all day: TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Netflix. Then you hand it broccoli, studying, reading, working. Of course, it throws a tantrum. I know this because it happened to me. During exam season, I sat down to study. 10 minutes in, I was deep in a rabbit hole of random YouTube videos. 2 hours gone. I thought I had no discipline. Turns out my brain wasn't broken, it was just trained the wrong way. Here's the first thing you need to know. Failing at first is normal. Your brain will fight back. It will scream, just one scroll, one video, and if you give in, that guilt you feel, ignore it. That's not failure, that's retraining. Now, let's fix it, step by step. Step 1. Starve the beast. No social media for the first 2 hours of your day. No dopamine snacks. That's your reset button. Start small. Maybe just skip Instagram in the morning. Open a book for one page. Sit quietly with your thoughts for 5 minutes. That's it. The first hours of your day, decide the energy for the rest. Start right, and the rest flows. Step 2. Feed it real fuel, not candy, not chips. Real nutrition for your brain. Reading, writing, short walks, journaling, light exercise. Think of it like building muscle. You can't grow on sugar alone. At first, it feels boring. Your brain's been living on Skittles. Now it's getting steak. But after a week, you'll crave it. The key? Tiny wins. One paragraph, one sentence, 3 minutes walking. Micro actions. Stack. And here's the trap most beginners fall into. They expect instant magic. One morning, without Instagram. And they think, why don't I feel focused yet? Pain, restlessness, boredom. That's your brain screaming for its junk dopamine fix. Sit through it. You're not failing. You're rewiring. Step 3, tolerate the boredom. Boredom is not your enemy. It's the loading screen. Before deep focus, sit through 10 to 15 minutes of boring work. No phone, no music. At first, it itches. It fights you. But that's the battle that builds focus. Eventually, the task that once felt like torture starts to feel interesting. You're leveling up. Step 4, bounce back fast. You will slip. You'll scroll. You'll binge. One bad day doesn't reset the game. It's not a factory reset. Think about a video game. Your character dies. You don't delete the game. You respawn. Patch the glitch and keep going. I used to beat myself up every time I slipped. But once I treated it like a glitch, I built momentum faster than ever. Step 5, enter flow mode. Stick with it long enough, and suddenly, work feels exciting. Studying isn't torture anymore, it's a challenge. Hours fly by. That's flow, the state where your brain becomes a weapon. Here's a shocking stat. The average attention span has dropped to just 8 seconds, less than a goldfish. Train your brain to focus, even 30 minutes at a time, and you're already ahead of 99% of your peers. Tiny bonus tip for beginners. Start micro. One paragraph, one sentence. 3 minutes walking. Small wins. Snowball into giant progress. The bottom line? Your brain isn't broken. It's hijacked. And the fix isn't magic. It's discipline. Starve the candy. Feed the real fuel. Tolerate boredom. Bounce back. Flow. Remember, you're not fighting laziness, you're fighting programming. Reprogram it, and you win.